Welcome to Polaris Academy. Today we explore how Earth formed, from space to oceans and life. Let's start our journey. How did the universe begin? The universe formed 13.8 billion years ago. This event is called the Big Bang. Matter and energy appeared. The universe still expands today. The Big Bang. Everything was extremely hot and dense. Then space expanded rapidly. Stars and galaxies formed over time. Space became what we know today. Formation of the solar system. Gas and dust clouds gathered. The sun formed at the center. Planets started forming around it. The solar system appeared. Birth of Earth. Rock and metal pieces collided. They merged into larger bodies. Finally, Earth formed. It was extremely hot at first. Early Earth. The surface was covered in lava. Volcanoes were active everywhere. Meteor impacts were common. Life was impossible then. Earth begins to cool. After millions of years, cooling began. Lava hardened into solid rock. Earth's crust formed. The planet became stable. Earth's layers formed. Different layers developed. The core formed inside. The mantle surrounded it. The crust became the outer layer. Formation of the atmosphere. Volcanoes released gases. These gases surrounded Earth. The atmosphere formed gradually. It protects life today. Formation of oceans. Water vapor condensed into rain. Rain continued for millions of years. Water collected on the surface. Oceans and seas formed. First life appears. Life began in the oceans. Tiny organisms first appeared. Life slowly evolved. Later, it moved onto land. Summary. The universe began with the Big Bang. The solar system and Earth formed. Atmosphere and oceans developed. Life started on Earth. Now it's your turn. Where did the first life appear? A. On land. B. In the atmosphere. C. In oceans and seas. Next lesson is coming soon. We explore Earth's structure. We learn about Earth's layers. Stay with Polaris Academy.